How is it going today? In today's episode, we're doing a little bit something different. Now, I've been told by a lot of you, plus Dirty Bird, that I should just do something, like, off of my mind. Kind of like how Dirty Bird does for, like, some of the builds that he does. I'll pop up some photos right here. Yeah. So, I figured we could do, like, a series, kind of like how he does. Like, a couple episodes, like, if it takes longer, then maybe part 4. You know, different parts. So, no, we're not going to do a cat eye. We're not going to do something like that. We're actually going to go back in time when everyone actually liked this truck. People still use it, but not many. We're going to use the old OBS. So let's see. And if you hear a squeaking in the background, that is my chair. Yeah, it needs some WD-40, but as you see in the top by the money, it says we have 148K. Yeah, the whole time when I was gone before I uploaded a Greenville video, I've been grinding a lot. So, let's get this bought here. Okay. So, I think what we should do is, first, we need to do paint. So, I think we'll do a black truck. So, I kind of have a good vision of what I want this to look like. So, we'll do windows tinted all the way. You know we gotta. Pretty good. And then we'll do decals. Then this is where the fun begins. So, we need to go shapes. Boop. Where is it at? There it is. We'll put it kinda... yeah, like that. But I kinda want to see the star, so we'll actually just put it like... yeah, that works. We'll keep it white. Or should we make it green? No, we'll keep it white. Just kind of size it down a little bit. There we go. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I am going to move it over. Size it down. There. I don't want it on the back of the cap. I just want it on the door. Yeah, that looks nice. I like the way it looks. It already looks like a show truck. Kind of. That's really the only decal I'm going to do. Except for maybe words like some kind of custom, maybe a headlight company or an axle company or something. Kind of like Anthem Off-Road. Maybe we'll do that. Maybe we'll shout them out, you know? I don't know. I'll figure out something. But, let's do our tuning. Yes, apply mods. What suspension do we want to do? Solid axle Pro would be pretty cool, but I basically use on everything. Monster suspension is no. That's a stock. I-beam type? Is that a new... I never seen that before. There's the heater kicking on. It's minus 23 degrees outside, so probably explains a lot. Let's just do Solid Axle Pro. Let's just... screw it. We'll use gold. And we'll also do that for the back too. Ooh. Or should we do trophy type so it kind of has like a little bit of flex? Nah, we'll just do Solid Axle Pro. We have 118K left. So let's get this travel and stuff all set. Oh, I thought we were on something else. Oops. Let's just get... we'll leave it at 0. We'll just do a 002. So let's do that for this as well. Okay. Then travel, we can do, let's just do all the way up. This needs to be like a huge truck. That is the plan anyways. It's not gonna be squatted, don't worry. I know some of y'all are already questioning. Okay, let's hit that. Is that level? The front needs to come down a little. But that's basically what we're going for here. Okay. Oh yeah, we definitely need to go out more. We'll do a 0.3. Sick. And we will do some width for the tires, so if it looks not so nice as a Sema truck, I will do the width a little bit more, because look how much we have left. So, a little bit of lag right there. Let's do our tires while we still have cash. Yes, we have a 116K, but still. Probably a good idea to do that. There we go. Then rims, we'll pay all of it together. Let's do our American Force looking rims. Chrome, you know how it be. Perfect. Let's get the American Forces. Should have it. Oh, yep. Okay, nothing changed. Then apply. Okay, okay, sick. Wheel radius. It's a little too big. Okay, so let's drop down to, okay, we'll just do like that. Rims, just because it's a Sema truck, need to be huge. Can y'all just take a moment of silence and look and see how good this truck looks already? We're definitely just gonna finish out this project in this video. So I think let's do like the same as the, yeah, there we go. So we'll do like we just did. 1, 2. Okay, sick. But I don't feel like that's big enough. That is what she said.
What did he say?
Okay, so then maybe 1, 2, 3. We'll drop down to like a 2. Okay, okay. I like that. I like that. Now we just need to do my voice. Red. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay, hold up. What if we do it this way? Yes, that looks nice, but I kind of want to just one color. Like that. Okay, that looks good. That looks nice. I like that a lot. Oh yeah, that looks nice. Okay. Let's do rear bumper. Gotta have that roll pan, bruh. Bed type. We're leaving the normal bed. No. I wish, this is one thing I do wish, that we could put underglow. So many people. When I mean so many people, I mean so many people. Because it like enhances the look of your vehicle. But that's just me. And other people have obviously asked. And if they could add a 02 to 07 Chevy Flat Eye and GMC Bubble Eye. Because those are like the OGs. Yes, we have the Cat Eye, but those are like its brothers and sisters. You can't split them apart. But anyways. Exhaust pipe. I like that. We will make this a diesel. I think that would look nice. White LED repair pack. Tow mirrors actually be good on this truck, dude. Would you turn off? Then spare wheel. Oh, good God! What, are we about to go off-roading in this thing? That's not too bad. That's terrible. That's better. Okay. There's really nothing else I want to do to this thing. We'll use our gold. The rims need to be bigger. I don't like how small they are. Okay, so let's make them huge. That's a lot better. Okay, now that I look at it, the rear needs to come down. What the? Oh, I think I accidentally pressed gold because it lagged. I hate how the camera moves. Let's do stiffness. Let's see. Okay. I like the width of this. This is actually pretty good, so we don't need to mess with that. Let's check out the flexing. Drop test. Okay, I like that. Flex. Oh, are we about to flip the truck? Oh. Reset. Drop test. Okay, that is amazing. Now we can just go to upgrades. And because we have $93,000, then we can do ultra motor. Okay. Let's just get this thing all, like, performanced. I mean, grip for a Sema truck really isn't needed. Because it's a Sema truck, Pavement Princess. Turbo is definitely needed. Diesel is needed. Come on, here we go. Durability definitely needs to be needed. It's a Sema truck. Weight, we'll do times 2. Well, stage 3, technically. But hit the button twice. Ooh, okay. I like the way this truck looks. It's almost as high as the, Sunset truck. The Sunset Cat Eye. Now we need to do something about that star. I feel like it would look amazing with some wording. Maybe like a company. Like a either made up company or an actual company. You know what? Nah. Okay, give me just 1 minute. Let me think of something. Okay. Yes, the stupid heater's back on again. Every time when I'm trying to record. And when I'm not recording, it's never on. But I got a company on the side of the vehicle. Yeah, you know. YouTube. We got my channel on there. But, yes. Apply. I feel like we should add a, like, sunroof to this thing. Yes, we will. Sunroof time. Shapes. Thank you. Boink. We'll go gray. Just to be like right there. That is way too big. This needs to be right there. Okay, this is gonna be hard to do. Oops, wrong one. Is that centered? Yes, that is centered. It doesn't look too awfully horrible. Come on. I thought my game crashed for a second. The first black ones, I need to... There we go. It has to look. Oh, it's useless. You can barely even see it. So let's just take that off, day. You can barely even see it. There. That looks good. Let's take this thing out to a map. Alright, here it is, bro. We got... this is about to be a lot to ramble off. We got a 6-inch lift. We got like 35s with quote-unquote American forces. Red. We got our company name, aka YouTube channel. We got the star. We got tint. We got black. We got, I should probably rephrase that. We got black paint. We got Boost Auto Parts tow mirrors, the best tow mirrors in the business. Roll pan. 9-inch exhaust. Or 9-inch tip exhaust, whatever you want to say. And she blows coal. Put it in low so it just screams. Bro. And it takes off, dude. Go, 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 go. Come on, truck. Dang, we're flying. I'm going to tune the stiffness because we are a little bit bouncy. Ooh, as you can see, we just drifted that in the Sema truck. I'm going to pull over before I crash this thing. But I have to say, if you guys did enjoy this build video, this was all in my head. Like, from... The truck was obviously in the game, but the design of how I wanted this was in my head. So, if you guys did enjoy this video of building this truck, please let me know. If you did, please like and subscribe. And if you don't like and subscribe, you hate baby dogs and kittens. Bruh, why would you do that to the little fellas? Huh? Huh? So hit that subscribe button. And let me know your thoughts and opinions on this OBS Sema truck. Peace out.